Friends, many of the spiritual leaders and parapsychologists say that the existence of the soul is real, and they explain many theories to support the fact that soul is existing. But friends, have you ever wanted to know practically the proof of the existence of the soul? If so, yes friends, you are watching the right video. Then let me show you some cases in which soul reincarnates into another body after the death of previous body, which support or prove practically the fact that there is existence of soul. Friends, let us see the first case, the case of Shanti Devi. One of the most famous cases of reincarnation was that of Shanti Devi, a girl born in Delhi, India in 1926. When she was around 4 years old, she began speaking about her past life in a town called Mathura, about 145 kilometers away from Delhi. She insisted that her name in her previous life was Ludgi Devi and that she had died shortly after childbirth. Her parents initially dismissed these claims, but as Shanti grew older, she provided more details, including the name of her previous husband Kedarnath and descriptions of her home in Mathura. A teacher at her school took an interest in her story and decided to investigate. The teacher wrote a letter to the address Shanti had described in Mathura. And to everyone's surprise, Kedarnath, Ludgi Devi's widowed husband, responded. He confirmed that his wife had died 9 years earlier, just as Shanti had described. A team of investigators took Shanti to Mathura, where she was able to recognize family members, locations, and even pointed out hidden details about her past life that only Ludgi Devi could have known. Mahatma Gandhi himself took an interest in this case and set up a commission to investigate it further. The findings astonished even skeptics, as there was no logical explanation for how Shanti could have known such precise details. Now friends, let us see the next case which prove that there is an existence of soul. The second case is the Pollock twins. This case is often cited as strong evidence for reincarnation. In 1957, in Hexham, England, two sisters, Joanna of age 11 and Jacqueline Pollock of age 6, tragically died in a car accident. Their parents, John and Florence Pollock, were devastated. A year later, Florence gave birth to twin girls, Gillian and Jennifer. As they grew older, the twins began displaying unusual behaviors and knowledge of their deceased sisters' lives. Jennifer had a birthmark in the exact spot where Jacqueline had a scar. The twins could identify landmarks in their previous home which they had never visited before. What was most striking was their phobia of cars. The twins would often panic upon seeing cars, insisting that one was coming to hit them. Their memories of their past lives began fading around the age of 5, a common pattern observed in reincarnation cases. The case was studied by Dr. Ian Stevenson, a psychiatrist from the University of Virginia, who dedicated his life to researching past life memories in children. His research concluded that the Pollock twins' case strongly suggested reincarnation. So friends, these cases provide compelling evidence for reincarnation and the existence of the soul. Scientific research continues in this field. Cases like those of Shanti Devi and the Pollock twins challenge our understanding of consciousness and life beyond death. Perhaps one day we will have concrete proof of reincarnation, but until then, these real life cases serve as fascinating glimpses into the mysteries of the soul. Thank you, friends.